If you look at most organizations' HR technology landscape today, it kind of looks something like this. You've got multiple disparate HR systems across the globe. You've got niche point talent solutions in pockets of your organization. You've got multiple data warehouses. You've got a couple BI tools that are only meant for your most geeky business analysts, not for the end user. You've got poor data quality because you're trying to cobble together a Tower of Babel. Today, the average business user, the average manager, really will only go to a legacy HR system because they have to complete a transaction. They have to hire in an employee. They have to do a base pay change. They have to conduct a performance review. And when they go there, their experience is suboptimal because the solutions just simply were not designed with them in mind. I believe the HCM marketplace is going through a fundamental shift. We've been focused for decades on selling services and tools to HR administrators who pay, track, administer, and comply. And now what we need is solutions for business users. Senior executives realize that people management is everybody's business, not just the back office. And the tool set that they have available to them is just not getting the job done. A new type of solution is needed. Our customers represent many different industries at Workday. You know, one industry is consumer products. It's no secret that consumer products runs on razor-thin margins, and that their supply chain is really squeezed right now as well. So really the last frontier for optimization is their workforce. So having the keen understanding of the cost of overtime, the use of contingent labor, the attrition, the retention of their top talent, and the cost of losing their top talent is absolutely mission critical in driving gross margin in their organization. What today's business need from a human capital management solution is visibility, alignment, and optimization. There needs to be a focus on who the real end user is, what they need to know, what they need to do, and where they are. They may be in the browser, but more often than not, they're on their smartphone, they're on their tablet device, they're in their email solution, they're in their work feed or their collaborative space. What they want is unprecedented visibility into their workforce, into their team, into their whole organization, depending on their span of control. The business needs to have visibility into the cost, capability, quality, and capacity of their workforce, a true understanding of the total composition of their workforce, and they need to be able to align their teams to the real needs of the business, and those needs change. They're constantly shifting. This is not a one-time-of-year exercise. And they need to be able to make decisions with that information to better optimize the cost associated with the workforce and ensure that we have the right talent working on the right initiatives. We had a really unique opportunity here at Workday to start over with a clean sheet of paper and to be able to design a solution for the modern workforce and be able to future-proof that solution for unexpected change. There are so many aspects of our product which make us truly unique, from our consumer-like user experience to our built-in business intelligence, our business process framework, our mobile capability. But truly, if I were to have to call out one point of differentiation which really enables all of this innovation, it is the fact that we are real SaaS made for the global enterprise. Workday, we've designed a solution that brings together financial, human resources, and talent information for business users, making it easier for them to understand what's really going on with the workforce and how they can take action to ensure that it's the best decision against the business strategy. There are a lot of disruptive technology trends going on in the space right now. You've got social media, you've got mobile, you've got data visualization, you've got business intelligence. But we really think the most important trend and probably the most significant trend, truly transformational for the marketplace, is mobile. Mobile will fundamentally change the way that users interact with the enterprise and enterprise systems as well as with each other. The tools are purpose-built for casual business users to access information, to complete very quick and easy tasks, which is what they do. We believe that the unique design capabilities and features of tablet devices, in particular the iPad, really do engage the user, and that engagement is going to breed contribution. And contribution allows us to have more information. More information makes us more intelligent, and that collective intelligence really drives value into the organization. When customers initially engage with Workday, they're really after getting a handle on their global workforce, being able to ask the system questions like, what is my global headcount? And have it accurate, finally. But over time, as they start living with Workday, they realize that the questions they can ask of the system and the intelligence that the system provides them is far more strategic. The system is helping them make true business decisions about where to staff work. Who is the best person for this job? Do I have a healthy pipeline of leaders? Are my succession plans at risk? These are questions that have far greater business impact than how many and how much.